Hello and welcome to the Cryptocity trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and definitely taking benefit from the content that we're posting on the social media and definitely inside our Discord server. The most important thing in the trading is definitely making some profits, and the good profits is the ultimate goal of every trader. All right, we make losses, no problem, that's fine, but there are good days and there are bad days. So today market has pumped, so we have taken benefit of that. All right, we will share some successful trades or the TPs, the take profits that we have made and secured basically with you guys. So let's start with the near, and here you can see basically we have secured 10.29% profit. And if we go and see the setup that we have provided, so you can see 10.29%. The setup, you can see we were waiting for the breakout above this resistance, and we took entry, and the market has successfully hit the target what we were focusing on. All right, next we will see, here is the dash. You can see we have hit 17.444%. all right, so this is the most beautiful thing that I like. You see my cursor, all right, you set a target, the market just hit the target and get reversed from that, hit a big wick to your target and returning to the original position. So this is something really amazing that market has pumped just to get, just so you can book your profits and then returning to the original position where it should be. All right, so this is good. I like this so much. Okay, so we'll go and see the trading setup that we have provided, and June 30 is the date, you can see. So we were waiting for the market to be in a good position and we took our profits. All right, the next thing we'll see, okay, nope, so dash, and the next thing is XRP. So here you see 11.24% TP. All right, so we hit that successfully. If we go to the setup, so XRP setup June 22, we were waiting for the breakout and we have taken benefit of that. All right, so let's move back and see the last TP that we have secured today, 14.62% guys, and this is wet USDT VeChain, and we have secured good profit in this. So all of these, no leverage, nothing, just pure profit, and we do not support leverage, and you can grow your portfolio slowly but securely. You do not get to vanish in just one trade. All right, so book your profits, enjoy trades, join this server. This is free, 100% free for now, but by the end of this month we are closing this, the premium sections. All of them will be closed. These are all the all these services like VD analysis, technical analysis, long-term trades, swing trades, short-term trades, risky trades, active, all of them are basically, all of them are the premium things that we are providing. Okay, you can come join us till we have active trades in there, so you can take benefit of that. All right, and general discussion, you have any question, anything, we will answer. You can ask question, you can basically question analysis, we'll respond to that as well. Okay, so we'll join you again. So thank you very much guys.